So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna stay close to the camera to start off with, because one of the big things it really helps bring down our stress levels and get us back in balance is our breath. And our breathing is a huge part of postural restoration as we do it to really work with that spinal alignment. So we're going to refresh our memories, because we haven't done this in a while, on our 360 breathing. So if we put our hands on our rib cage here on the sides, notice I have my thumbs wrapped around the back and my fingers wrapped around the front. I really want to feel as much of my rib cage as I can. We're going to soften the knees and just ever so slightly curl the tail under. We're not doing a really strong T-tap tuck yet, because we want to focus on feeling our ribs. So from here, we're going to inhale through our nose, and you want to feel your ribs expand forward, sideways, and back, which is part of why I have my hands wrapped as far around them as I can get them. Here we go. Big inhale. Exhale, and remember, as you exhale, think about the sternum drops down as we do that, and this part of the ribs tucks towards that belly button. So again, inhale, really feel those ribs, and exhale. Good. Now, let's help open up our rib cage a little bit more. We're going to bring our hands up right underneath that clavicle bone, bringing the fingertips right there. You can bring both hands on one side. I'm going to start on the right. Soft knee bend in alignment, little tail tuck. Inhale and feel your hands lift up. Now, as you exhale, actually press down to aid that exhale. Good. Now, my hands are a little lower underneath the next rib, or a rib or two down. Inhale again, lift them up. Exhale, help guide the ribs down, kind of walking that hand down. I'm also walking my hand around to underneath my armpit for this part of my rib cage. So we're going to do the same thing again, bringing those hands down and around. Inhale, expand them up. Exhale, guiding them down. Good. Down underneath, kind of at that bra strap level right here as the ribs start coming to their top. Again, I can use my hands to sort of wrap all the way around my right ribs. Inhale. Now your hands are pushing out. Exhale. Again, little squeezes in, bringing that down. So you might notice you feel more tingling in this side of your rib cage, because we've really opened up the expansion ability on that side. Now we're going to move to our left side. Now the left side is actually where 80% of our lymph drains through the body, through this upper left part of the chest. Major part of the valves of the lymph system are right through here. So I did the right side first, so we got used to the technique. Now we're going to do the left side. This is going to open up, because remember, the more we can circulate through the lymph, the less those stress hormones, or any of the hormones, sit in the body. So same thing, find that clavicle bone, start right up there all the way at the top. Inhale, lift those hands up. And on your exhale, little presses down, 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 really starting to work that. Bringing those hands out a little bit. I have the heel of my hand under this armpit, the heel of this hand right on my sternum. Inhale, expanding. And same thing, exhale, pressing down, down, down. Bringing those hands down one more time. Inhale, expanding. Really making sure I'm under that armpit. Exhale. Down, down, down. Bringing those hands up underneath, right at that xiphoid process for the inner hand. Inhale, expanding all the way around. Exhale, pressing down, down, and in. Good job. Now you should feel that opening in both sides. You may feel more tingling on the left because there's more of that lymph to move. Now let's put our hands one last time in this same spot and expand again. Let's see if there's a difference. Soft knee bend, little tail tuck. Inhale. And again, focus on letting this drop naturally on your exhale. So notice now you have more inhale, exhale ability. That's going to help us. We're going to use that breath a lot as we go through our T-tap moves to get the extra postural restoration benefits from that.